Niner Nation, a very good Saturday evening. Welcome back to MGM Park here on the Mississippi Gulf Coast.
All right, so let's have a good AD. I fight. You guys hear me? You fight.
One pitch. Swanee crushed into deep right. Mason Irby looks up. That ball is off the scoreboard. A solo home run for Zach Smith. Pitch on the way. Swung on, line drive back up the middle. Diving and bobbling it is Guidry. Scoring from third is Drew Ober. We are tied at 2. 2-1 from Powell. Swung on a little liner right side. That's going to sneak through into right for a base hit. Mims rounding third. The throw from Mason Irby will not be made. That is a big 2-out RBI for Bullock. It's now a 4-3 game here in the 7th. First pitch from Perry. Shows bunt. He pushes it back towards Perry on the mound. Now they've got the runner hung up between third. The throw to Mims in time. We have a tense situation here in Biloxi. 1-0 pitch. Swung on and drilled into deep left field. This ball may be gone. The Niners walk it off on a 3-run bomb by Tommy Bullock. Niners walk it off 7-4. We will see you tomorrow morning.